Hi everybody, I'm here with Pete the Parrot. Say hello, Pete.
Hello, everyone.
We're here to teach you your tables so that you know them really quick. We want you to learn your 10 times table, your 5 times table, your 2 times table, your 3 times table, and your 4 times table. We'll run through each table with Pete.
That's right.
And then we'll give you 5 table facts to see if you can beat Pete. Who's the quickest? So you ready? We're going to start with the 10 times table. Say the table with Pete.
0 times 10 equals 0. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 10 is 50. 6 times 10 is 60. 7 times 10 is 70. 8 times 10 is 80. 9 times 10 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 10 is 110. 12 times 10 is 120.
It's time for our 10 times table. I'm here with Pete the Parrot. Say hello, Pete.
Hi
This is your favourite table, is it, Pete?
there. Yes.
It's easy. Okay, well, we'll find out now how easy it is. Are you ready to go with the children? Here we go then. 1 times 10 is?
10,
2 times 10 is?
20,
3 times 10 is?
30,
4 times 10 is?
40,
5 times 10 is?
50,
6 times 10 is?
60,
7 times 10 is?
70,
8 times 10 is?
80,
9 times 10 is?
90,
10 times 10 is?
100,
11 times 10 is?
110,
And 12 times 10 is?
120.
That's right. Well done. Now it's your turn to see if you can beat Pete. Are we ready? Are you ready, Pete? Here we go. 10 times 10.
100,
Good. 100. 5 times 10.
50,
50. 4 times 10.
40,
6 times... Oh, what was that? 40. Yeah, that's right. 40. Well done. What's the next one? 6 times 10.
60,
60. Well done. And the last one, 8 times 10. Oh, he's having a think.
80.
80. That's right. Did you beat Pete? Keep practicing. Bye for now. Say bye-bye, Pete.
Bye-bye.
Say the 5 times table with Pete.
1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. 11 times 5 is 55. 12 times 5 is 60.
Here we go. It's the 5 times table. Pete, are you ready?
Yep.
Here we go. 1 times 5 is?
5,
2 times 5 is?
10,
3 times 5 is?
15,
4 times 5 is?
20,
5 times 5 is?
25,
6 times 5 is?
30,
7 times 5 is?
35,
8 times 5 is?
40,
9 times 5 is?
45,
10 times 5 is?
50,
11 times 5 is?
55,
And 12 times 5 is? You like that one, do you?
It's easy.
It's easy. Okay, it's easy. So here we go. Pete thinks this one's easy. Now it's your turn to try and beat Pete. Are you ready? Here we go. What is 5 times 5?
25.
That's right, Pete. 25. What's 7 times 5?
35.
That's right, 35. What about 9 times 5?
45.
That's right, Pete. Well done, 45. What about 11 times 5?
55.
55. That's right. And here's the last one. What's 6 times 5? Ooh, who's going to win? Who's going to be first?
30.
30. That's it. Great. Keep practicing. Say your 2 times table with Pete.
1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. 10 times 2 is 20. 11 times 2 is 22. 12 times 2 is 24.
So here we go. It's the 2 times table.
Yippee!
1 times 2 is
2,
2 times 2 is
4,
3 times 2 is
6,
4 times 2 is
8,
5 times 2 is
10,
6 times 2 is
12,
7 times 2 is
14,
8 times 2 is
16,
9 times 2 is
18,
10 times 2 is
20,
11 times 2 is
22,
and 12 times 2 is
24.
Well done, Pete! How did you get on at home? Now it's your chance to try and beat Pete to the answers. So we're going to ask you 5. Are you ready? Are you ready, Pete?
Yeah!
Here we go. The first one. What is 2 times 2?
4,
That's right, 4. Here's the next one. What is 4 times 2?
8,
That's right, 8. Did you beat Pete? Now for the next one. Are you ready? Are you ready, Pete? What's 5 times 2?
10,
That's right, 10. And here's the next one. What's 7 times 2? Oh, that's a tricky one, isn't it, Pete? You having a think?
14,
That's right, 14. And here's the last one. 12 times 2.
24.
24. Did you beat Pete? Keep practicing. Say the 3 times table with Pete.
1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. 6
Here we go. It's a 3 times table. 1 times 3 is?
3,
2 times 3 is?
6,
3 times 3 is?
9,
4 times 3 is?
12,
5 times 3 is?
15,
6 times 3 is?
18,
7 times 3 is?
21,
8 times 3 is?
24,
9 times 3 is?
27,
10 times 3 is?
30,
11 times 3 is?
33,
And 12 times 3 is?
36.
Brilliant! Now it's your turn to see if you can beat Pete. Are you ready? Here come the 5. What's 3 times 3?
9,
That's right, 9. What's 4 times 3?
12,
That's right, 12. What's 11 times 3?
33,
Oh, that was quick, Pete. 33. Well done. What about 7 times 3? That's a tricky one.
21,
Well done. 21. And the last one, what about 9 times 3? 9 times 3.
27.
That's right. 27. Did you beat Pete? Say the 4 times table with Pete.
1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20, 6 times 4 is 24, 7 times 4 is 28, 8 times 4 is 32, 9 times 4 is 36, 10 times 4 is 40, 11 times 4 is 44, 12 times 4 is 48. Yay!
Hi guys, it's a 4 times table. Are you ready? Here we go. 1 times 4 is?
4,
2 times 4 is?
8,
3 times 4 is?
12,
4 times 4 is?
16,
5 times 4 is?
20,
6 times 4 is?
24,
7 times 4 is?
28,
8 times 4 is?
32,
9 times 4 is?
36,
10 times 4 is?
40,
11 times 4 is?
44,
And 12 times 4 is?
48.
Well done, Pete. How did you get on at home? Now, are you ready to beat Pete? 5 table facts. Can you beat him? You ready? Here we go, Pete. Are you ready? 4 times 4.
16,
That's right, 16. Well done, Pete. What's the next one? 6 times 4.
24,
That's right, 24. Here's the next one. This is a toughie. What's 8 times 4? Pete's having a think. 8 times 4.
32,
32. That's right. Next one. 12 times 4.
48,
Well done, Pete. 48. And the last one. 9 times 4.
36.
That's right, Pete. 36. How did you get on at home?